If you are watching for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you already subscribed, then don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest uploads of my channel. Hi friends, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today I am going to show you another very easy method to sew the invisible zipper. So let's quickly get started. So I'm gonna attach my zipper here. So just turn your top to the wrong side. I already joined the sides, and now just see the leftover fabric here. 1 inch, while cutting we had left 1 inch in the back side. So after sewing the lining with the main fabric, we are left with this much fabric. So just mark whatever fabric you are left with. Here I am having around 0.7 inches, so just mark here 0.7 inch. In this way, and draw a straight line, and then we are going to turn it like this, and then here where we had marked the lining of 0.7 inches, just align it properly and give a basting stitch from here to here. I'm done with giving the line on both the sides. Now you need to match these two sides, and if you want, just pin it. So I'm done with attaching the pins, and now I'm gonna put it like this in my sewing machine, and from here I'm gonna give a basting stitch till the end. So I'm done with giving this basting stitch, and now place it like this, and just open these salvages in this way, and put your invisible zipper. See, this is not the normal zipper, this is the invisible zipper, so it will not be visible after attaching. So this is the right side. See, the plastic coils are not seen, it's hidden from the front. So put it in this way from the wrong side, and make sure the coils, this line should be in between this line. If you need, just pin it, and leave this thing in the top here in this way, and then place your zipper in this way straight, and then you need to hold this thing, only this thing, and place your footer here in this way, and give a stitch near to this plastic coil. If you want, you can just open it in this way and put it like this, so this will be more easier. And now give a stitch here. I'm gonna use this zipper footer to attach my zip. I attached the one side of my zipper. You can see it's attached now, and now I'm gonna sew the other side with the same method. Just put it like this and make sure both the zips are facing each other. In this way the coils should be matched, and this time I'm gonna change my footer side. So now you can see I attached both the zip sides, and now I'm gonna open this basting stitch what we had given before. Now after opening the basting stitch, it's looking like this, and when you close your zip, see how fine it's looking. And now you just need to give 3 or 4 stitches here to secure the zip, and rest you can cut it out. Now just install the normal footer and put your zip like this in the end where you want to stop your zipper till here, and then just give 3 or 4 zigzag stitches to secure it. I had given a zigzag stitch here. Now just cut the rest of the zipper like this. You can use it later also. And here completes this easy tutorial for installing invisible zipper. Hope you enjoyed this session, and make sure to subscribe my channel, and if you already subscribed, just click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button. See you in the next video.